How does this transformation happen on an industrial scale?
The journey of American sugar begins not in a factory, but here, in the heartland's vast fields. Harvested beets arrive by the thousands of tons, ready for their transformation.
The first step is a rigorous cleaning to remove every bit of soil and debris. They are then sliced into thin strips to maximize surface area for the next critical step. Inside these giant diffusion towers, hot water draws out the raw sugar juice, leaving behind the pulp.
Even the leftover pulp finds a use, becoming nutritious livestock feed. Nothing is wasted. The raw juice is purified. Lime and carbon dioxide trap impurities, which sink to the bottom. The impurities are filtered out, resulting in a cleaner, thinner juice.
In a series of evaporators, water is boiled off under vacuum, thickening the juice into syrup. In the vacuum pans, the magic happens. Tiny seed crystals are added, triggering massive crystallization.
The result is a thick, hot mixture of sugar crystals and molasses called masequite.
Centrifugal force spins the mixture at high speed, separating the dark molasses from the raw sugar crystals.
The separated molasses is collected for use in other foods, like animal feed or fermentation. What remains is raw sugar, already pure, but not yet the pristine white we know.
To become white sugar, the raw crystals are washed in a warm, pure syrup in a process called affination. They are dissolved once more and recrystallized under precise conditions for maximum purity.
The pure, wet crystals are dried and cooled in large granulators to ensure they flow freely.
Vibrating screens sort the sugar into uniform sizes, from fine castor to coarse granulated. The finished product is stored in enormous silos, holding thousands of tons ready for packaging.
Fully automated packaging lines fill, seal, and box millions of bags with flawless precision.
Every batch is tested in the lab to ensure it meets the strictest standards of purity and quality.
From here, American sugar is distributed across the nation to homes, bakeries, and food factories.
The final product, pure sucrose, a testament to agricultural abundance and industrial engineering.
From field to factory to your table, this is the journey of the sweet crystal that fuels our daily lives.